Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of this amazing masterpiece right here. This is the Gambit Maquette by Sideshow Collectibles. And I'd like to take this time to give a special shout out to my mother-in-law for getting me these sweet cosplay style Gambit boots. Now, if only I could find the actual costume to go with these boots, because I feel like I look like a spaceman in disco boots. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey everyone, Christopher here. So for those of you who don't know, I am a huge Gambit fan. He is by far my favorite superhero. I don't know what it is. I think he has the best powers. He is slick. He has an awesome Cajun accent. And like myself, I think he's a hopeless romantic if you consider his relationship with Rogue. I mean, the list just goes on. The guy has a freaking trench coat. It doesn't get much better than that. And I also have it in writing here in this awesome X-Men game board that my dude got for me. So thank you, dude. They have some power stat cards for each of the X-Men. And if you pull Gambit's power stat card, this guy is rated a 10. Based off of his fighting skills, durability, and intelligence, this guy's a 10. So there you have it. Hands down, best X-Men. They also have these cool tokens. Here's Gambit's. Now, mind you, they did give Wolverine a 13. A freaking 13. There is no way Wolverine is better than Gambit. I'm sorry. But anyways, I remember being 5 years old and waking up every Saturday morning to watch the X-Men animated series. And that show blew my mind. You think WandaVision is awesome? This series was amazing. Every Saturday morning I would watch it, and Gambit was just the best on the show, hands down. It was also around that time that I got my first set of X-Men figures, and I even have proof of that.
Remember the share for sharing.
I'll share all of them.
Yeah. I'll be able to walk for another 2 weeks. You've been still on your feet.
Mommy,
What?
look at, did you know this is the bad guy?
Yeah.
And this is the good guy?
Okay. You gonna play with them?
Yeah. Who wants to play?
Now, I wish someone would have told me when I was a kid, do not open those boxes. Those are going to be collectibles one day. But, I mean, it is what it is. You're a kid, you want to play with your toys. And the other thing you don't see in that video is my brothers did not want to play X-Men with me because apparently the top bunk bed was the G.I. Joe headquarters. Come on, guys. Don't be a bunch of putzes. But anyways, it wasn't until my adulthood that I started collecting, Gambit collectibles. And I think a part of that was, when you get older, you reminisce on the younger years. And I just remember how much, I love the X-Men and how much I love Gambit. So I kind of just, visited random comic shops, would find little things here and there. And, I just started collecting these things. And keep in mind, Gambit is one of the harder characters to find because he isn't the most popular X-Men, which I don't know why. We already talked about this earlier. He's hands down the best one, but that's exactly what this wall of stuff is behind me. These are all the items I've collected throughout the years. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up of these before we get into the unboxing of my newest collectible. right, so that's my Gambit collection so far. There was one other thing I forgot to show you guys, and that is of this piece of Gambit and Rogue, of course, because I'm a hopeless romantic. And I just got to give a shout out to Chris. He's a phenomenal tattoo artist. Now, my newest addition, the Gambit Maquette by Sideshow Collectibles. I first saw this piece online back in 2019. And the moment I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Every now and then I'll get online, I'll type in Gambit statue to see if there's anything up and coming. And I saw this and I pre-ordered it. It took about a year. I got it back in December or November, and this thing is massive. I mean, just look at the box, it's huge. And I didn't open it until I want to say last month. And the reason being is because I didn't have a case for it. And the dimensions on this piece are just so dynamic that I had to have a custom made case. So I got the case in January, put it together, which is why you'll see I'm wearing something different in the video, and it just blew my mind. It's the best collectible I have so far of Gambit. So let's check out the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one.
Want to play?
Oh no. Stockton has the list.
Oh no, nobody wants to play with me.
Peace.
Only because we're playing with the
Move, go down there.
Hey, we're playing up here. Go down there.
Yeah,
I
the X-Men don't belong in G.I. Joe.
I'm not.
Well, then get down there.
We don't have no room for you up here.
See, you're mean.
We're not mean, we're just telling you to do that.
I don't want to be down here. I'm doing it hard.
Hey, yo.
This is a highly intelligent army. Put that away. I said put that... I said put that away. This is a secret operation. Put it away. Put it away.